This beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home is a perfect blend of spacious living, modern conveniences, and outdoor beauty. With an impressive 3,027 square foot of living area, this home offers ample space for family gatherings and entertaining. The large front porch welcomes you with open arms and offers the perfect place to relax and enjoy some fresh air. As you step inside, you'll be greeted by the inviting foyer that leads you to a bright and open floor plan. The heart of the home is the expansive living area, perfect for entertaining guests or cozy family nights. The adjacent space seamlessly connects to the kitchen, making it a breeze to host or enjoy everyday meals together. The kitchen is equipped with essential appliances included with the sale. The charm of this home can truly be seen from every detail. The oversized attached 2-car garage provides ample space for your vehicles and additional storage. Additionally, you'll have peace of mind with the included Generac Home Generator, ensuring your family stays comfortable regardless of any power outage. You won't want to miss this lovely home. Give Jerry Hurst a call and set up your tour before it's too late.